As a book lover and as a passionate reader, what if I tell you that there are websites where you can earn money from your passion, which is reading stories and books? Well, it sounds weird, but it's true. Me, I never believed it until I did a thorough research, and then I discovered some of these websites I'm about to share with you guys in this video. So, and one thing about this website I'm about to share with you is that some of them can pay you as high as $200, while some of them can pay you as low as $5. And another thing you need to know is that these websites are reputable, legit websites you can access anytime, anywhere in the world. Now, without further ado, let me go straight to sharing this website with you guys. And before I forget, based on popular demand, I'm going to be going live on my channel, right on my channel very soon. So I'm going to be interacting with my paid members. So if you are one of my paid members, just write down the question you want to ask me on that day, because I'm going there to answer your questions on anything you wish to ask me, both um your education, money making aspect, any aspect you want. I'm ready to answer. So I'm going live right on my channel very soon. So see you then. Enough of the talk, guys. Let's get back to the video. So guys, the first website on our list is called the getpaidtoread.com website, owned by the Impulse Inc. company based abroad. So this website allows you to read on their website for you to get paid up to $200 for each book or email or any content you read. So from this website, one of the things I love about this website is that you choose what you read. You don't read anything, no experience required. You can work from anywhere in the world, and then withdrawal is flexible. You can withdraw through your PayPal or through your bank account through wire transfer. So they pay you up to $20 to $100 for each piece of content you read. So this is how simple it is for you to make money from this website. So now, for you to register on this website is very simple and clear. All you need to do is to click on this button that is written "I want to get paid to read." So once you click on this button, it will take you to the page where you are going to do your registration. So this is the page where you are going to do your registration. So registering on this website is very simple. All you need to do is to follow the prompt right here and then register. So this is where I'm going to be choosing my country. So once I'm done choosing my country right here, the next thing I'm going to do is to follow the remaining prompt to answer all the questions that will be thrown at me here. Almost everything you're going to do for you to register on this site is in form of questions they are going to be asking you. So make sure you answer all the questions correctly, and make sure you are genuine with all your answers. Don't try to do anything, just make sure you are genuine with all your answers and answer the questions correctly. So once you are done answering the questions, you head on to next, and then until you are through with answering all the questions. And then the last part is where you're going to be inputting your information like your name, your email address, your phone number. And then once you are done with putting all these things, then you click on the submit form button below the form you are filling. So once you click on it, then you are done. And then this is the message you're going to see. Congratulations, Markkings, you've been approved to earn $20 to $100 for every content you read. So once you see this message, just know that you have been approved to make money from this website, and that's it. So the next website on my list is the Ebook First website. So the Ebook First website is a marketing website where authors and book writers come to publish, market, and sell their books. So this website also accepts readers too. Readers who loves reading, not just readers that love reading, but readers that loves reading and that can review books after reading the books. So they accept everybody, both the writers and the readers. So this website also pays readers who want to read and review books. So you can also be reading, having fun, reading and reviewing books while you also make money in turn. So for you to sign up on this website, all you need to do is to click on the sign in to apply button. Then once you click on it, this is the page you're going to meet yourself. Then the next thing you're going to do is to put your email to register. I want you to have in mind that when registering for an account for this website, you need to register as a reader, not as a publisher or as an author. So you put your email and then your password. So once you are done putting your email and your password, the next thing you're going to do is to click on create an account. Then after that, you know you are done with creating an account for this website. Then this is the main website right here. This is where we are going to be making the money you want to make from this website through reading. So you fill in the remaining forms as I'm filling it right now. So once you click on this review my book right here, then you start reviewing books already and then start earning money from this website. So that is all you need to know about making money from this particular website. So the next website on our list is Online Book Club. So Online Book Club is a website for book lovers. So if you love reading, this is a website for you. So you can call it a free online community for book lovers, where book lovers gather together, read books and discuss books. So this is the official website of the Online Book Club. So this is it right here. So this website is endorsed by so many big companies, both Amazon, eBay, and the rest. So this website is just another website where you can earn money through reading. So from the screen, you can see what I'm talking about right here. So you will get paid to review books completely for free. So this one is a little bit different. So the first book you're going to be reviewing it for free. So the subsequent ones, they're going to be paying you for those ones. So they pay as high as $60 per book, then as low as $5 per book. So you can choose as many books as you want to review and read. So that is it. So for you to register on this website, registering on this website is very simple and clear. So you can see the email box below the write up. So you can sign up for free. Once you sign up on this website by putting your email and then agreeing to their terms and condition, then you are done with this website. And make sure the email you are putting is correct to avoid getting banned from this website. So the next website on our list is Upwork. For some of you who don't know this website is a freelancing platform where people register and then get a job to make money online. In case you don't know, this freelancing website has been in existence for so many years, about 15 to 20 years now. And then it has been endorsed and then trusted by so many big companies such as Neopetel, Microsoft, Jim Bryan, and the rest. So you can join this website immediately as a freelancer. So one of the jobs that can fetch you a lot of money on this website is reading and reviewing books. So people can hire you as a freelancer for you to read and review books. So all you need to do is to register on this website as a freelancer. Immediately you register, fill out the forms that is required of you in this website, and then create an account. I'm going to be using my Google account to create an account on this website to tell you what I'm talking about. So using one of my Google accounts to create an account, so I will click on continue to finalize my account creation. So this is my account right here. Then I will accept their terms and condition and then click on create my account. So I want you to also have in mind while creating the account that apart from people paying you to read books on this website, there are a lot of things you can do on this website. If you have other skills and other hobbies you can offer to people in exchange for money, such as web development, writing, anything at all that you think that you can offer people in exchange for money, even when they are not close to you, you can list it on your profile on this website. So once you list it, people who likes it or who likes it will reach out to you, and then you guys will talk about it. And once you guys has reached to a particular terms of service, you will get paid for you to offer that particular skill. So this is all you need to know about this particular website called Upwork. And one thing I love so much about this website is that you need to set your own price by yourself. Nobody will tell you what to charge anybody. You just charge according to your worth. So you already know your worth, so you charge according to your worth. And another thing is that you can never run out of clients using this site. Once they are still active, people will still be patronizing you from this website. So I'm going to be elaborating more on how to get job on this particular website in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're a new viewer, and don't forget to share this video if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.